throughout the world, postal networks are being restructured. This is much needed in India's postal network of 1.55 lakh post offices. Mumbai has a number of post offices at strategic places in the localities to improve accessibility. One such example is Matunga's local post office, which falls on the way to the railway station and is near an urban node. The decreasing mail volumes have affected the postal business, which can be solved by a locality-centric model. In this way, the local post office becomes a reference point and identity for the locality. The flower market along the plot is a strong identity, but affects the legibility of post office as a barrier for visual interaction. Various festivals are celebrated near the site, making this place vibrant. The existing two-story local post office fails to satisfy the land value and does not connect with the public. A space constraint is derived from the local building bylaws. Further, various possibilities of retrofitting to the existing building are explored. The idea of double-height spaces will ensure dynamism at ground level. Symbolism will bring the public building on the map, whereas shaded public spaces will enhance user experience. Symmetry and proportions will respect the inherent identity, but asymmetry and abstraction will transform and enhance its image. The final outcome portrays this palette of ideas visualized in the local architectural language of Indo-Deco style. In this way, each step of the design process contributes to the reinterpretation of this public building. The absence of any physical or visual barrier makes the ground floor spaces welcoming. The open to public plinth is a space for people of all age groups to interact and at the same time appreciate the activities in the surroundings. This plot corner becomes a focal point for the locals. The local post office is finished in grey cement-based aggregate wall texture, thereby reducing heat influx through the walls. Pergola made of aluminium hollow sections on the cantilevered yoga center provides partial shading to the terraces finished in China mosaic. The activities and local demand are connected by bridges at different levels to the post office building, to be able to experience the postal activities from a different perspective. Also, these bridges foster interactions in between them. The space between two buildings is painted in white to enhance daylight penetration and also provides shaded spaces to the public throughout the day. Various sustainable measures such as wastewater treatment, rainwater harvesting, solar panels, permeable ground finish and appropriate materials are used to reduce urban heat island effect. In this way, an integrated green design approach is followed at every stage of planning and design with the primary intention to develop an indoor comfort level.